Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we are milling white oak, the king of wood. At least that's what they say. So this is all going to be going into flooring. It's been a while since we milled for Storybook floors, but we are back to it today. And unfortunately, John, the owner of Storybook, has passed away recently, and his wife is still making floors. So we are still going to be supplying them with material. And he and my dad were really good friends. And although it was a short friendship, it was packed full of a lot of great moments for them. So I did want to tell you that he has passed because I did have him here on Lumber Capital Log Yard in the past. So yeah, we are still going to be providing them with material for as long as his wife wants to continue to make lumber, or to make floors. So we're making lumber today, that's for sure. We're doing, well, right now I've just been mainly doing 2 different dimensions. She really doesn't care. It can really be random width, 1.1 thick, random width, but I am keeping it kind of consistent because otherwise the piles kind of get a little wonky on Jade's end. So to keep it just nice and organized, I'm doing 1x10s, or 1.1 by 10, and 8 inches wide when we have a smaller log like this one here. So enough of my rambling. Let's get to milling some white oak.
So this is what we've cut in the past 2 days of running the mill and cutting this white oak. Thankfully, I am not putting stickers on every row because that uses so many stickers. It's insane. We have to do that for the finished pine products because they need to have airflow because they get kiln dried. They need to have flow through every single layer, which uses a ton of stickers. But with this, we're just doing one row of stickers halfway through the pile, and that creates a way more stable pack than it would if you didn't put these stickers in there, which we stack them 10 high, put stickers, and then another row 10 high. And so when you pick it up with the forks, there's basically just less flex in the pile. The stickers keep the whole pile just a lot more sturdy. So it's a really good way to do that, and it keeps the whole pile nice and steady because we have to put these on a really big truck and they are not light. These packs are extremely heavy. So to have them be as stable as possible is really important.
Well, that was the rest of the white oak logs that we have. We just milled the last one just in time for the weekend. So we do need 4 packs before the truck comes to pick them up. So we're hoping that we're actually going to get a full pack out of the flitch pile, which, Jade, you can zoom up on that. It's definitely taller than, you know, our average pile here, but a lot is taken off when we debark the sides and everything. Obviously there's a lot of loss there, so we're hoping that will be a full pile, so then we'll have our 4 packs that we need to have them shipped out to Storybook. Yeah, so we've been waiting on a load of hemlock. That's what's going to probably be the next thing. Hopefully it comes in here before Monday. It should, but you never know with them truckers. You just never know. I'm joking. We have really good people trucking for us. But anyways, that's besides the point. We're probably going to be back to milling hemlock, and we need it because our inventory has been a bit demolished. But thanks for watching today's episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook for extra content. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.